Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to talk about IObit Driver Booster 13 Pro, a powerful tool that helps keep your PC drivers updated and your system running smoothly. Let's get started. First of all, what is IObit Driver Booster? IObit Driver Booster is a driver update software for Windows. It automatically scans your computer and finds outdated, missing, or faulty drivers. By updating drivers, it helps improve system stability, hardware performance, and gaming experience. Now, let's talk about its key features. Here are some of the key features of IObit Driver Booster 13 Pro. Automatic driver updates, one-click update for all drivers. Huge driver database, supports millions of hardware drivers. Game-ready drivers, improves gaming performance. Backup and restore drivers, safely restore drivers if needed. Fix common device errors, audio, network, display issues. Offline driver update, update drivers without internet. Fast download speed, Pro version downloads drivers quickly. So, who can benefit most from it? IObit Driver Booster is perfect for users with slow or unstable PCs, gamers who want better performance, laptop and desktop users, beginners who don't want manual updates, anyone facing drive-related errors. Now, one of the most common questions is it safe to use? Yes, IObit Driver Booster is safe to use. It is developed by IObit, a trusted software company. The software creates a restore point before updates, so your system stays safe. Now, how to use it? Using this software is very simple. Follow these steps. Install the software on your Windows PC. Open it and click Scan. The software checks all outdated drivers. Click Update All to update drivers. Restart your PC if needed. That's it. Your drivers stay up to date automatically. Now, if you want to unlock all premium features, you'll need a license key. I will suggest you the best website, www.ordersoftwarekeys.com. Here you can see the price is very affordable compared to others. You'll get the official license with lifetime upgrades and premium support. So this was a quick overview of IObit Driver Booster 13 Pro. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.